Today is Friday, July 27th, and this is the ServiceMonster Show.
Does your company advertise on Pinterest? Why not?
Duplicate accounts? We have a button for that.
And Symposium is closing in. This week in social media.
I read this week in the Chicago Tribune that a football coach is actually using social media instead of background checks when looking at possible players to hire. So if you are somebody who can't afford to do background checks, maybe look at their social media instead.
So this week we found a cool article on Forbes about the power of online reviews. So according to Invesp, 99% of customers read online reviews. 88% of those potential customers trust those online reviews as much as a personal recommendation. And 72% take action after reading a favorable review. And what was really interesting was that a 1-star review will actually increase your revenue anywhere from 5 to 9%, while a negative review can cost a business about 30 customers. So pursue the review. So according to Search Engine Land, if asked, people will leave a review. I was actually in Charlotte this weekend eating at a really trendy pizza place, and I loved it. I wasn't going to leave a review just because I wasn't asked, but the guy actually came up to me afterwards and said, hey, would you mind leaving us a review? And I'll give you a free dessert. And I was down for that. And I actually took my time, left a picture and all that stuff to leave the company a review before I left. So just ask, and you never know.
So I read in Forbes this week that a house paint company called Behr is using a mix of artificial intelligence chatbots and Pinterest to update their marketing. It's really interesting. So they're using the chatbots so that customers can go 24 hours a day to their website and to their account, look at different paint palettes, and then have the chatbot talk to them about the kinds of colors they want to use and help them narrow it down. They said that it used to take a customer an average of 100 days to choose a paint color, and now with the help of the chatbot, that time has reduced immensely. They're using Pinterest by connecting their website to Pinterest so customers can make their own palette boards. And then the company uses that data to customize the customer's account. If you're not on Pinterest, you might want to be. A lot of people go to Pinterest and make boards when they're redoing their home, remodeling their kitchen. So, it could make sense to advertise for carpet cleaning or window washing since their house and the look of their house is already top of mind.
This week in Smug. So we have a new survey in Smug. We want to hear from you. We want to hear about your experience with ServiceMonster. So go to our Smug page. You'll see it first thing as you start scrolling down the page.
So Paul Johnston posted on Smug asking about a duplicate accounts button quite a bit ago. Well, we just put one in. So if you go down to settings, there's a duplicate accounts button so you can actually see how many duplicate accounts you have and merge from that list.
This week inside ServiceMonster. Symposium is coming up in a couple of weeks. Make sure you get registered. There's 8 spots left. I look forward to seeing you there.
This weekend, ServiceMonster is having a company picnic at the beach. I'm really excited about it. One of our coworkers' friends' bands, Walian, is playing, so that's going to be awesome. Do you hold events for your team? Team bonding is a great thing to do. It's also great with developing company culture, so think about that. ServiceMonster product updates. So we had a bug for QuickSec with the copy to new orders button not working in regards to lead sources. Well, now it's been fixed.
Route services and the schedule have now been fixed, so go use them.
From everyone here at ServiceMonster, thank you so much for your attention.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Go check out the demo.
And give us a call.